Laptop shortcut keys for Windows 10. On Windows laptops, this key is used in combination with other keys to perform various system-level functions like opening the Start menu, searching, etc. 1. Ctrl-Alt-Delete. This combination is used to open the Task Manager on Windows laptops, allowing you to manage running applications and processes. 2. Alt F4. Close the currently active window or application. 3. Alt-Tab. Open Task View to switch between open applications and virtual desktops, Windows 10 and later. 4. Control-Tab. Switch between tabs in a browser or tabs in a multi-tabbed application. 5. Control-Shift-T. Reopen the last closed tab in a browser, Windows, or application, some software. 6. Alt-Tab. Switch between open applications or windows. 7. Alt F10. Display the Properties dialog box for the selected item, Windows. 8. FN Escape. Toggle the FN key function lock. Enable-disable the FN key as a secondary function key. 9. FN PRTSC. Take a screenshot, some laptops. 10. FN Home and Page Up, Page Down. Depending on the laptop, these keys can adjust various settings such as brightness, volume, etc. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my Tech Implement Infra channel. Thank you for the watching video.